हेलो एवरीवन, आई एम मुनमुन चक्रवर्ती। आज मैं आप लोगों के सामने उस क्वेरीज का आंसर दूंगा जो आप लोग जानने के लिए चाह रहे थे बहुत दिन से। मेरी इस कॉलेज के बारे में, जगदीश चंद्र चौधरी लॉ कॉलेज के बारे में, तो मैं आज उसके बारे में ही बताना चाहूँगी, उसका क्वेरी का आंसर देना चाहूँगी। सो द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, हाउ मच अटेंडेंस वी नीड इन दिस कॉलेज? सी, देयर इज 75% attendance that you and we all need to give examinations. You don't have to go college every day in a week, so you must have to carry 75% attendance to give your examinations. Otherwise the college will not permit you to give examinations. They will charge money in the other way. Otherwise, no, it is not possible to give examinations without 75% attendance. And second question is there any dress code for the college? In this college, yes, there are dress code, but it is for the formal occasion, formal events. And whenever you will go for internship or anything, or to visit the court, you will have to wear the dress, formal dress of this college. And the dress is black pant, black blazer, white shirt, black shoes, white socks. That's it. And in the other time, in other days, you can wear casual dress. Third question, is there any facility in this college? Is there any hostel facility? No, unfortunately there is not any special facility of hostels, but obviously there are many hostels, many PGs, boys and girls hostel, and even some people stay there in rent. There are facility near the college, and that is very near the college, so no need to be worried. Okay. Number 4, someone asked me, she said that her home is very far from the college and she wants to come college from her home, but is it possible to come college in time from her home? And my suggestion was that I think that it's not possible to come in time from her home because it's so far. So I suggested her that she should stay in PG or in the girl hostel. She can stay, and so that she will come college at a time. But again she said, she asked that if she come from home, can she be able to come in college before 6:30 or not? But frankly speaking, I don't think so that it is possible to come college before 6:30. So next question, someone asked me, what is the criteria for the admission of this college? The admission criteria is, after 12th, after completing 12th, you have to give the CU law entrance exam, and after you get your sufficient rank for this college, you can take admission in this college. And कुछ लोग बोल रहे थे कि अगर मेरा 12th कंप्लीट हो गया है, अभी ग्रेजुएशन कर रही हूँ, तो और मेरा मार्क्स थोड़ा कम है, क्या मैं इस कॉलेज पर एडमिशन ले सकती हूँ या कि नहीं? तो उन लोगों के लिए मैं बोलना चाहूँगी कि 50% मार्क्स आपको चाहिए इस कॉलेज में एंट्री लेने के लिए, इस कॉलेज में एडमिशन लेने के लिए आपको 50% मार्क्स की ज़रूरत है। इसके अलावा आप नहीं ले सकते। और सब लोग मुझे पूछ रहे थे कि क्या मैं ग्रेजुएशन के बाद लॉ कर सकती हूँ? इट इज़ द ओनली थिंग दैट वी कैन डू आफ्टर 12th और आफ्टर ग्रेजुएशन. There are two options. After 12th, you can join 5 years BLLB, or anything, BBA, LLB, BCom, LLB, whatever. You can study law after 12 for the 5 years. And if you want to study law after graduation, then there is also option for 3 years BA, LLB, BCom, LLB, BBA, LLB, whatever. But in this college, unfortunately, there is no availability of 3 years LLB course. So if you want to join 5 years LLB course, then most welcome in this college. And there is also the facility of LLM after LLB. After 5 years, you can do LLM from this college also. If you Someone asked me what is the mode of education in this college. I mean, the teachers teaches us in the which language? Bengali, English, Hindi. English. The answer is English language. They teaches us in English, and they explain us in Hindi, in Bengali also, for better understanding for the people who can't understand something in English. They also explain it in other languages. But basically the mode of the education is English. You have to study, you have to write, you have to speak, and you have to listen also in this language. Next question, someone said that can you tell me more about this college? I already said everything about this college, whatever I can say about this college, whatever I know about this college. So I don't think there is any important thing left out, that I left no stone unturned. I tried to say everything